Hello everyone. My name is Azharuddin. So I am working as a DevOps admin in Cognizant Technology Solutions, Bangalore. So it's been 3.5 years. I'm working in Cognizant. So it is my second vertical. Before I was working as a SAP analyst. So recently, 1.5 year back only, I moved to DevOps domain. So now I'm working as a DevOps admin and I'm working for some automation projects in Bangalore. Okay. Let's come to the point. I was a student of E-Route Secondary Engineering College in the year of 2011 to 2015. So basically, I was a pass out of 2015 batch. So during the year of 2015 to 16, in that gap, I had almost of 7 offers from the multiple companies. So over the 7, 5 were some middle-level companies and 2 were MNCs. So one was L&T Infotech, another was Cognizant Technology Solution. Finally, I have chosen Cognizant Technology Solution. So still I am traveling with Cognizant because of that corporate culture and then rules from the Cognizant. How I got 7 offers? It's because of the training I got from my college. I got training from multiple things in a multiple way. Normally they used to provide placement training classes, weekly ones and daily ones. And daily ones, weekly ones, they used to conduct the placement classes. And because of that, the year of 2015, almost I have attended, many companies. I got shortlisted 7 companies, are all some good named companies. Not only the placement skills, what you will tell as a placement skills, combination of communicational skills as well as the technical skills. Communicational skills, they have provided many things. They have provided many trainings. Because of that, my communication skill has been improved. Before, I have done my schooling, my Tamil medium. Basically, I came from some middle class family, so I have done my schooling in Tamil medium. So once I entered the college, it's very difficult to uh, speak English fluently. But once I come out from my college, the year of the final year, the placement years, I used to speak English with a good fluency. And it's all credits go to my college. And one more thing, you used to get the technical skills in your lab. During my college days, I used to spend many days in my lab only. So I have done many research, I have done many projects. And during my college, I used to go, multiple project and paper presentation, and I got many prizes. So everything happened because of my faculty, you know, faculty and facilities. We experienced faculties we had on that time. So they used to tell many things related to the book, and apart from the books and the skills and world science things. What's the current technology it's going on. So many things, I got many knowledge from my faculty. So unless of my faculty, I can't do anything. And still I'm in a good place because of my faculties that I can proudly say. They train me in that way. And what else to say? Yeah, the same way you have a central library. It is a big library. There you have all of the magazines, and so I used to read many books in my library, and I read many magazines. It was entirely new things. It was a wonderful one to improve your skills and to build your career. Questions normally they used to ask why you are studying engineering and what you want to become. So if you ask this question to me, I would say like I want to mingle with some corporate lifestyle, and I want to earn something. So because of this, people used to study engineering. Because of this reason, I have studied engineering. So what you want to become? So the answer of this question is, you can find in your college. I find the answer in my college, E-Route Engineering College. Because of this, now I'm in somewhat good place, going towards my target for sure. This is a correct field that they have decided by my college, and the knowledge what I got from my college. So because of this, my entire life used to I used to utilize in the correct way, in a proper way to achieve my goal and target. And thank you for give this opportunity. So all the best for every one of you, and all the best for everyone, the faculties and my people, my HODs who had a relationship here at Sangandar Engineering College, who are going to make relationship with ESEC. For everyone, best wishes, and all the best for every one of you, and you will have a wonderful future if you study. Thank you, and thank you.